Many of our tutorials so far have focused on teams, and we'll be using that again in a minute. However, let's first review how to make a quiz in forms. How is a quiz different from a form? A form is great for a survey, while choosing a quiz will allow you to add points and indicate correct answers. Also, with a quiz assigned as a quiz in Teams, forms will grade the quiz. Let's start off in Forms, which is reachable at forms.office.com. You'll see a view with all the forms you've previously created. And over here on the left, check out New Form and New Quiz. Click on New Quiz. Give your quiz a title, and in the description, add any instructions students will need to complete the quiz. Select Add New to add your first question. Choice will allow you to make a multiple choice question. The first two choices are called Option 1 and Option 2, and you can change those. Click on Add Option to make more multiple choice selections. Hover over this check mark right here to indicate in the teacher view which response is the correct answer. Some other options of note: click where it says points to add a point value for each question. Also, click in these spots if you want to make the question mandatory. Add more questions by clicking Add New. You can even add a text box for a student to enter an answer that involves them entering more explanation. And enable a long response here. When a long or short response is part of the quiz, you must manually score it. 3 things to note as you make your quiz. First, here's where you can explore different themes. Here's where you switch to a preview to get a look at your work. And note that both mobile and computer views are available. Also, click on these 3 dots to enable or disable Immersive Reader to read aloud questions and responses to students. Finally, here's the tab to look for to gather and export responses. These can take the form of graphs and responses right in your browser window or exporting them into an Excel spreadsheet. The changes in forms are automatically saved every few seconds. So now let's switch over to Teams. Open up one of your teams and then Assignments along the top row. Click on Create, and then from that pop-up choose Quiz. Automatically you're taken to Forms where your quiz is listed. Note that this screen also has an option for creating a quiz directly from that window. You can give the quiz a different name if you need to in Teams, and there's a spot for adding still more instructions. Your due date, class, student roster, and other choices are all here. Finally, click Assign to make that quiz part of tonight's homework.